Hi, I'm Alessio Rossetti. I'm the chef from La Devozione by Pastificio Di Martino. We are located in Chelsea Market, downtown Manhattan. We are three different concepts. We have the to-go, where we sell the spaghetti with tomato. We have a tavola, and then we have the oval kitchen, where we will possible come and then enjoy with 7 dish course. Today we're gonna prep the minestra with the butternut squash and chestnut cream with the Orzo di Martino, and we serve with the Prosecco DOC V8 Plus. You put a tablespoon of oil, garlic is gonna be roasted, gonna burn a little bit, nothing too much. We take it off and we put the minestra. Butternut squash and chestnut puree. And vegetable stock. When we start to boil, we put 2 pounds of orzo. It looks like rice, but it's not rice. It's a game of vision. Now it has to cook for 8 minutes, and the time we got warmer up chestnut, pumpkin seeds, and gold raisins in the oven. After cook, the vegetable broth is gonna be dry, and then we put oil and parmesan without to the burn, and we are incorporating inside of the orzo. Nice and easy. And we are plate. At the top, we put the raisins gold, butternut squash, and roasted chestnut, pumpkin seeds, and oil. This is our of orzo butternut squash and chestnut cream. Enjoy. Today we decide to pair with our pasta course with Prosecco DOC V8 Plus. When you're drinking, it gives the freshening in your mouth. And help for elevate the flavor of the plate. Enjoy the Prosecco DOC V8 Plus.